Fire Glory Collision 9 is underway tonight in Rotterdam, and one of the most anticipated quarter-final fights features Bahram Rajabzadeh taking on Mohamed Touchassie in the Glory Light Heavyweight Grand Prix. The experienced Azerbaijani knockout artist Bahram Rajabzadeh enters the fight with an incredible record of 73 wins and just 6 losses, including 65 knockouts. Standing across from him is Morocco's rising star Mohamed Touchassie, a dangerous young contender with a 20-3 record in 14 knockout victories. Tensions have been high throughout fight week, with heated exchanges during the press conference and weigh-ins. Now, everything comes down to what happens inside the ring. With the vacant light heavyweight world title on the line and a spot in tonight's semifinals at stake, neither fighter can afford a mistake. Will Rajabzadeh's experience and power prevail, or can Touchassie pull off a statement victory and continue his rise to the top? Stay tuned for the official fight results and post-fight updates from Glory Collision 9.